Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 14, Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. Last video we saw the same Unit 14, in that translocation of sugars and ascent of sap. In this video, we are going to see 14.12, blood. Blood. Components of blood: plasma, red blood cells, otherwise erythrocytes, white blood cells, otherwise leukocytes, and blood platelets or thrombocytes. Functions of blood. Let us see one by one in detail. We will see components of blood. The blood contains two main components. First one is plasma. Second one is elements of blood. Plasma slightly alkaline. Alkaline means acid level, pH level 7. It containing non-cellular substances which constitute about 55% of blood. Organic substances like protein, glucose, urea, enzyme, hormones, and vitamins and minerals are present in the plasma. Plasma contains organic substances like protein, glucose, urea, enzyme, hormones, vitamin and minerals are present in the plasma. Plasma constitutes 55% of blood. Next, elements of blood. First one, red blood cells or erythrocytes. Red blood cells in red in color. Other name erythrocytes. Look like flame. So easily you will remember erythrocytes. They are most abundant cell in human body. RBCs are formed in the bone marrow. The red blood cells short form is RBC. It formed from the bone marrow, center of the bone. The sponge-like structure, the bone marrow, the RBC is created. The RBCs impart red in color due to the presence of respiratory pigment. RBC red in color due to the presence of respiratory pigment hemoglobin. Matured RBC is not having nucleus and other cell organelles. In the place of RBC, nucleus and organelles occupied by the respiratory gas. They have biconcave disc shaped. Disc means circular. Biconcave. Both the side cave. They are biconcave and disc shaped. Their lifespan is about 120 days. After 120 days, it destroy. New RBC will create in the bone marrow. RBC is involved transport of oxygen from lungs to all tissues. RBC is transport the oxygen from the lungs to all tissues. The mammalian RBC cell organelle lack nucleus. Mammalian RBC lack nucleus and make cells biconcave. Increase the surface for oxygen binding. Loss of mitochondria allows RBC to transport all the oxygen to tissues, and loss of endoplasmic reticulum allows more flexibility. Loss of endoplasmic reticulum allows more flexibility for RBC to move through the narrow capillaries. RBC is not having nucleus. That place is binding with oxygen. That RBC is not having endoplasmic reticulum. Allows more flexibility for RBC move through the narrow capillaries. Next one is white blood cells. Other name is leukocytes. Types of white blood cells. The white blood cells are two types. One is granulocytes, other one is agranulocytes. Granulocytes, that they cells contain granules in the cytoplasm. Granule means small particles that present in the cytoplasm. So it's called granulocytes. Their nucleus is irregular or lobed. Their nucleus is irregular or lobed. Their granulocytes are three types. First one is neutrophil. Neutrophil. They are large in size. They have 2 to 7 lobed nucleus. These corpuscles form 60% to 65% of total leukocytes. In the blood, leukocytes means white blood cells. In that 60 to 65% total WBC, neutrophil. Their nucleus number are increased during infection and inflammation. Infection, any foreign particles or and affect our body, and inflammation, that skin, that bulging, any inflammation will come. That time the number of neutrophil increase, fight against the foreign particles. Next one, eosinophil. Eosinophil has a bilobed nucleus. It constitutes 2 to 3% of total leukocytes. Their number increased during the conditions of allergy and parasitic infection. Parasitic infection, it brings about detoxification of toxins. If it affect any toxins, detoxification by eosinophil. Its percentage is 2 to 3% of total leukocytes. This number will increase during the conditions of allergy or parasitic infection. Third one, basophil. Basophil have lobed nucleus. They form 0.1 to 1.0% of total leukocytes. They release chemicals during the process of inflammation. Inflammation means some allergy condition that muscles will bulge. That is called inflammation. Next, agranulocytes. Agranulocytes, in that granules are not present, or the granules are not found in the cytoplasm of these cells. So these are agranulocytes. Agranulocytes, two types. One is lymphocytes. First one is lymphocytes. These are about 20 to 25% of total leukocytes. Lymphocytes, total 2 to 20 to 25% of total leukocytes. They produce antibodies during bacterial and viral infection. They produce during bacterial and viral infection. Next ones, monocytes. They are largest of the leukocytes. In white blood cells, largest cell is monocytes. In amoeboid in shape, these cells are 5 to 6% of total leukocytes. They are phagocytic and engulfing bacteria. Phagocytosis, engulf. They swallow the bacteria. Pathogenic bacteria will enter inside the body. The monocytes engulf the bacteria. Next, blood platelets or thrombocytes. Blood platelets or thrombocytes. These are the small and colorless. They do not have nucleus. These cells are not have nucleus. They are about 250,000 to 4 lakhs platelets are present in 1 cubic of blood. 1 cubic millimeter of blood. Lifespan of thrombocytes platelets 8 to 10 days. 8 to 10 days. They play an important role in the clotting of blood. Clotting, sometimes you will get small cut in your finger during sharpening the pencil. After few minutes the blood will clot. The clotting due to the presence of platelets, that is thrombocytes. Platelets form clot at the site of injury and prevent blood loss. Injury, any cut, any small wound will come. If you fell down, wound will come. The blood loss will stop after few minutes. The blood clot will occur due to the presence of thrombocytes. Now, functions of blood. Functions of blood. The transport of respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Blood is transport respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Blood transport digested food material to the different body cells. Food is digested in the alimentary canal. The digested food material transport to different body cells. The blood is transport the hormones. Because hormone endocrine glands not have ducts. That means tube-like structure. That hormones is transport by blood. That blood transport of nitrogenous excretory product like ammonia, urea and uric acid. That in that it is involved in protection of the body and defense against the disease. Blood protection involved protection of body from the disease. It acts as buffer and also help in regular of pH and body temperature. It maintain proper water balance in the body. Maintain proper water balance in the body. Next, more to know. We will know somewhat extra about the blood. Anemia, decrease in number of erythrocytes. Decrease in number erythrocytes. Erythrocytes means red blood cells. Decrease in number of red blood cell, that is called anemia. Leukocytosis. Leukocytosis, increase in number of leukocytes. WBC, increase in number of WBC. Leukocytosis. Next, leukopenia, decrease in number of leukocytes. Leukocytes means WBC. Leukopenia, decrease in number of WBC. Leukopenia. Thrombocytopenia, decrease in number of thrombocytes. Thrombocytes, platelets, decrease in number. Thrombocytopenia. Thank you.